let's go in the section of body to the tops. The tops are related with the style of the shirt that this character will be wearing. So you have this default, which is the kind of a sweater, or you can change for example, a shirt like this one. I think it's looking pretty cool. Or you can change for a hoodie. I like this style. I think I'm going to test this style. Or a simple, very short shirt. I think I'm going to take the hoodie. And then you can select the kind of colors that you want for this. So let me see. I like the purples. I usually like the purples. So let's go something around here. Let me see. I think in the saturation, we go to this side. Probably here, a bit darker. Cool. Excellent. And let me do something extreme to the other side for this purple. Let me see if an orange could be, or it could be like a greenish. Yeah, I like this one. Now let me lower the value. Probably let me lower a bit the saturation. Pretty cool. I think I like this one. Move it a bit to the greenish, to the reddish side. And a bit more of saturation here. Excellent. Probably let me check here for the purple in the primary color and lower the saturation just a little bit. So it looks more realistic. Our character is looking a bit more realistic. Of course, you can go to the details, but there is so few that you can do at this moment because you don't have these options enabled. But you can also create different styles of fabric. So let's see if for the main one I can find a style that I might like. Let me try this one. Not exactly. I think that these designs are pretty much not what we look for in this kind of context for these video games. Let me try this one. Oh, definitely no. Okay, so yeah, I think let me try it. No, or this one. So here you can see you can play with a lot of different styles and create something for your particular character. And then we have a graphics, which is related to if you want to present a logo, for example, in the design of the shirt. I think I like this logo. Looks pretty cool. Let me test these ones. Oh, these are like flags, and you can select the colors. Pretty cool. But I'm going to take this, and let's say that the axes are going to be in that same maybe orangey color. Let me try something like this and lower the saturation as well. I'm trying to combine different colors and see. And let me increase a bit the saturation here, just a little bit. And here we have our character with a pretty cool shirt design. As you know, you can combine different elements here. And the thing about creating metahumans is that you enjoy the process of doing this, guys. Take your time, get into the zone, drink a coffee, and enjoy the process of creating the characters that you will use for your game or that are going to be part of the cinematography experience that you will present. So this is about tops, and I'll see you very soon. Continuing with the section of body, now let's go to the buttons. So the buttons, as you can imagine, are related to the pants that this character is going to use. So we can use the shortcut 4 to get to the legs. And here we can have a more clear vision of what we want to do. So at this moment, this character has this slim jeans slim. Let me try some others, like maybe shirts. You can wait here for a moment for the rendering. But meanwhile, I think I can add some colors. Let me combine some different colors. Oh, this is not nice, but it is an enjoying process. As I mentioned to you, this is something where you can get into your zone and decide, okay, I like this style, or maybe I don't. I'm trying to combine these two very similar colors. Let me see something around. No, this is going to be the purple. Sorry, it's going to be something like here. Good. And let me lower the saturation just a little bit and make them a bit darker. Something like here and here. Lower the saturation, making darker the pants. So it's looking like that. If I want to make a combination here, I can lower the saturation. Looking pretty cool. So here we have some combinations for these shirts for this character. And 6, let's go to the backpack, which is the number 6. And here you have the character. We haven't finished with the shoes, but here we have a very, I don't know, sporty character. I'm not sure if I like this one, but it's another combination. Let me try these yoga pants. I think the yoga pants probably will go in that direction. I don't see the designs for this secondary color, so let me make it a bit more intense. Definitely is not using that secondary color. So yeah, I'm going to Ctrl Shift. And oh, these ones, that's maybe something like more tactical, very useful for any occasions. I think this is the pant that I'm going to use. Let me check just the other two. Okay, a designs for the jeans and I think this is like a formal working pants. So I'm going for the cargo pants, something more tactical, more at the style of the character that I want to create. And maybe this neither has the two designs for using one primary color and a secondary color. Oh yeah, here's the secondary color, but it's just perceived a bit on this thread. Definitely not whether the kind of details that you will see in the video game, but there they are. Okay, so this is about bottoms. Let's go to the details. In the details, we can change the fabric as we did with the shirt. I don't think that we can find here a fabric that we want for this. No, it's looking like a pajama. Definitely still looking like a pajama. Anything that we can put here, it seems like to look like a pajama. Yeah. Well, if you want to create a pajama, I think this is the approach that you can take. Checker? No. Everything literally looks like a pajama. So I'm going to leave this alone. On secondary color, the lines are very small, so it makes no sense for me in this case. And the graphics, different to what was in the top, the graphics are not allowed for the bottoms. So this was buttons, and I'll see you very soon.